Everybody who has signed up for the Wing Eating Contest, please make your way.
Hi, welcome to Sports and Social.
If you have not signed up for the Wing Eating Contest, this is your last chance. $10 entry fee gets you,
My name is Tony Thomas.
a t-shirt and grand prize is $250 if you win.
I'm here to destroy Tony Thomas and his wing eating bowl.
Just come on up here to the DJ booth to sign up.
Tony's a cheater. Ugly too. Cheater and ugly.
This is for people 18 and older who are in good health.
No, Tony's already over here crying.
If you're not in good health, probably
I get Tony T second up.
Tony, everyone else is trash talking you. What are you going to say about that?
Hey, it's fine. If I got to puke, I know where to puke on. All right, so now do you have to eat the whole wings? Have holes, or just got to be in your mouth, or is it actually going to be on the bone still? I think it's got to be within 5 seconds. 5 seconds, the last 2 minutes. More of that.
The littlest guy wins.
I'm Juanito. I don't know, the big guy over in the corner. I think he might got the winner at the end.
Sorry, you might as well go ahead and go home.
I gotta go with the little guy in the corner.
I'm the smallest one here, and I'm gonna win. It's pretty neat though. I like stuff like this.
Get set, go!
I feel fantastic. I'm actually going to go to the gym afterwards, so it's pretty easy. Figured some of these bigger guys without eating. I just buried down and ate as fast as I could, so I feel great.